Hey Bear, get behind. Very easy. 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 Good boy, Bear. Easy. So right now I need a red zone Lacy head explosion. Like I need a hole in my head. What I need is partnership with man's best friend right now. These dogs need to understand that my goal is to get these cattle out of this brush without calling Richard Bruner to come out and rope and drag them out. Will they hold up? Yeah, hell yeah. Those two right over there, that's what they're trying to do right there. That's why they pull off to the side. These over here, Bear's keeping them in check. Now I just want to teach my dogs the little directional commands and send them over to get these. Good boy, Bear. Push. Push. Now it feels like about 100. It's just really hot when the sun comes out. See, if we put a dog on the head right now, these cows are going to go right into this white brush and hold up. Easy, buddy, easy. Watch them. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Keep an eye on them. Keep them honest. Good dogs. Get a drink. Go, Bear. Easy. Very easy. It's over. All you have to do is not screw anything up at this point and make sure there's nothing ornery trying to resist at the end. They're all going through the gate now. Good boy, Bear. Good job, buddy. Good job. Angel, here. Good job, girl. Good job. Good work, girl.